Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of mysterious check engine lights and complicated car problems? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best diagnostic scanners for ECU coding on the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, these scanners are essential tools that can save you time and money. We'll dive into their features, ease of use, and how they can help you unlock your vehicle's full potential. You won't want to miss out on these game changers. So check the link in the description below to find the perfect diagnostic scanner for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Autel introduces the VD7, the 2024 newest bidirectional scan tool designed to revolutionize your automotive diagnostic experience. This professional-grade scanner combines extensive features at an affordable price, making it a perfect choice for both technicians and DIY enthusiasts. With OE All Systems Diagnostics, the VD7 allows you to read and clear codes across various vehicle systems, including the engine, ABS, airbag, and more. It boasts over 36 special functions, such as ECU Coding, oil reset, and crankshaft sensor relearn, ensuring you have the tools needed for comprehensive vehicle maintenance. The advanced ECU coding capabilities support specific brands like VW, Audi, and Benz, enabling you to flash hidden features and disable unwanted settings. Plus, the 8-in-1 data graph feature provides live data stream monitoring, helping you identify faults quickly and accurately. With coverage for over 10,000 cars worldwide and support for CAN-FD and DoIP protocols, this tool ensures faster communication and broader compatibility without the need for additional adapters. Enjoy peace of mind with 3 years of free updates and a 1-year warranty, making the VD7 a reliable investment for any automotive repair shop or enthusiast. For a superior diagnostic experience, the Autel VD7 is the ultimate choice and the best diagnostic scanner for ECU coding. Number 4. Bolan K7 OBD2 scanner is a top-tier diagnostic tool designed for both professional mechanics and dedicated DIY enthusiasts. This 2024 model features a user-friendly interface and is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for wireless diagnosis of over 100 vehicle brands. With its OE-level full system scan capability, it reads and clears codes, views live data, and performs a comprehensive one-click scan of all ECUs. The K7 excels in active testing and bidirectional control, enabling users to send commands to actuators for real-time diagnostics on components like windows, doors, and wipers. Equipped with advanced ECU coding, it optimizes vehicle performance and supports online coding for greater accuracy. The scanner includes an impressive 31 reset functions, handling everything from oil and TPMS resets to battery matching and ABS bleeding, making it perfect for tackling common maintenance tasks. With 3 years of free software updates and an EVA storage bag for portability, the Bolan K7 ensures you stay ahead in vehicle diagnostics. Plus, its robust hardware features, including an Android 10.0 OS and 6,000 mAh battery, guarantee a powerful performance. Backed by a reliable warranty and customer support, the Bolan K7 is your go-to diagnostic scanner for ECU coding and vehicle maintenance. Number 3. Autel D8W Wireless Bidirectional Scan Tool is a game-changer for automotive professionals seeking an affordable yet powerful diagnostic solution. This upgraded OBD2 scanner is designed for professional mechanics and workshops, boasting advanced features that rival tools costing upwards of $2,000. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, the D8W ensures seamless communication with vehicles, allowing for quick diagnostics without the hassle of traditional Bluetooth connections. Its impressive 64 megabits per second transmission speed provides a diagnostic range of up to 66 feet, making it convenient to use in any workshop setting. the STIL D8W excels in full system diagnostics and topology mapping, displaying all vehicle modules in a color-coded format for easy fault identification. Its bidirectional scan capabilities allow for active testing of components like windows, mirrors, and sunroofs. Additionally, the advanced ECU coding feature supports multiple brands, including VW, Audi, and Benz, unlocking hidden functions and enhancing performance. With over 38 specialized service functions, including oil resets, ABS bleeding, and crankshaft relearn, this scanner is essential for any technician aiming to provide top-notch service. However, it's crucial to verify compatibility with specific vehicles before purchase. Overall, the STIL D8W is undoubtedly one of the best diagnostic scanners for ECU coding on the market today. Number 2. TOPTON RD-Diag Pro is an advanced bidirectional scan tool designed to elevate your vehicle diagnostics and ECU coding experience. This state-of-the-art OBD2 scanner is compatible with popular brands like VW, Audi, Skoda, Seat, and Benz, allowing you to unlock hidden features and disable annoying functions effortlessly. With advanced online ECU coding, the RD-Diag Pro maximizes your vehicle's capabilities while ensuring safety by advising a backup before coding and discouraging sessions on low battery levels. The efficient diagnostics offered by the RD-Diag Pro enable targeted tests on individual actuators, saving you valuable time and effort. From door locks to fuel systems, this tool covers a wide array of components, helping you swiftly identify and resolve issues. Equipped with over 31 special functions, it tackles 90% of common repair challenges, including oil resets, brake management, and steering angle adjustments, ensuring your vehicle operates at peak performance. Additionally, the RD-Diag Pro supports FCA Auto Off for Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Fiat models from 2017 onwards, enhancing its utility for modern vehicles. With professional customer support and 2 years of free software updates, worth $300, TOPTON ensures a reliable experience. Invest in the RD-Diag Pro to take control of your vehicle's diagnostics and enjoy a comprehensive tool suitable for anyone looking for the best in ECU coding and diagnostic scanning. Number 1. Encel X7HD is the ultimate heavy-duty truck scanner designed for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike. With a 10-inch high-definition display, this diagnostic tool offers full OBD/OBD2 functionality, allowing you to access and diagnose all vehicle systems including engine, ABS, SRS, TPMS, and more. One of its standout features is the extensive array of 42+ reset functions, including DPF regeneration and ECU coding, making it perfect for advanced maintenance and repairs. The bidirectional control capability lets you perform active tests on various components, enhancing your diagnostic capabilities significantly. Its Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi connectivity provide a seamless user experience, allowing remote diagnostics and real-time data streaming. With 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of expandable storage, the Encel X7HD is built to handle large data sets efficiently. Plus, enjoy 2 years of free software updates and a 3-year warranty, ensuring that your investment stays relevant and effective. Designed to work with over 100 brands and 10,000 models of heavy trucks and commercial vehicles, the Encel X7HD is your go-to tool for top-notch diagnostics and ECU coding. Whether you're troubleshooting, performing regular maintenance, or programming ECU, this scanner is engineered to meet the demands of today's heavy-duty vehicles. In conclusion, choosing the best diagnostic scanner for ECU coding can significantly enhance your vehicle maintenance and repair experience. With options like the Autel Maxicom 908 Malawian Quatches, Launch X431, and Foxwell NT624 Elite, you're equipped with tools that provide comprehensive diagnostics, advanced coding capabilities, and user-friendly interfaces. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, these scanners will help you keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.